bloopers. Hello. Okay, guys, so we're gonna make marshmallow and graham crackers, basically s'more, kinda, just no chocolate. And I have a person with me. She's a total stranger. I don't know who she is. She's just like some random girl that came up to me. What's your name again? Haley. Go back. I'll be right. Go back. I'll be right back. Haley. Yeah. Hey guys. Okay. So, yeah. All you need is
some
graham crackers
and some
marshmallows.
Jet Plus marshmallows.
You don't have to have Jet.
Yeah. So the first thing is we need to get a plate.
Duh. I feel like this light is like, don't pay attention. I'm trying to get my big head to block it.
Basically, what you do is you take the graham cracker.
This is my first video. I was on the trampoline.
There's one of your graham crackers. We're gonna keep the pile right there. You're not supposed to take a bite out of the graham cracker until.
I'll be right back. Wait, I messed that up.
Okay, guys. While she goes and does what she's doing over there, I'll just get the graham crackers ready. These ones are already broken in half, so it's perfect. We just gotta grab the graham crackers and go. So I just opened the pack. 1 half, 2, and 3. How many do you want? How many do you want?
Huh?
How many do you want?
3, 4, 3.
You can eat that.
I So what will we do now?
You put 1 marshmallow on each one.
Okay. Guys, I've never really made these, so that's sticky.
Yeah, I have to teach her. Because they're kind of melted already. So we're just gonna, go with it. Make our own marshmallows. And guys, I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like when it's in the microwave.
Garlic's melted too? Yeah. This is totally not sticky. Ugh. We should have just got marshmallow fluff.
You'll see what would happen.
It sticks to me, but it won't stick to the graham crapper?
Crapper.
I said crapper.
We should have, next time we make them, we're going to use the little marshmallows instead of these guys. Ew.
Okay. I'm almost done.
And guys, we're going to have a cup of ice cream.
I'll be right back. And we're back. So we got.
Now we're going to put these in for 10 seconds, and I'm going to take the camera and show you what it'll look like on the inside.
1 second. We'll be right back. Bye.
10.
0.
So this is what they're doing.
Y'all can see also.